He is very driven on his team. It's always a team effort. He's out there with the boys, getting dirty, making sure projects are getting complete.
He is not the person that's sitting behind the desk out of sight. He's actually there involved with what's going on. There was a time where there was a deadline for a show and he was there, worked overnight.
He stayed with us side by side, making sure we had everything that we needed to finish, and he stayed there working with us till the deadline came.
This guy works till 3, 4 o'clock in the morning.
From the times we had special projects and it was a hurricane, and everybody was this Category 5 hurricane coming towards us. Customer had a deadline that was literally the same day. Monsour locked himself in the building during the hurricane and completed that project by himself. It was actually for disaster response for the hurricane. So right after hurricanes, the country's in turmoil. Individuals need their emergency response vehicles and emergency products and things like that. So we can't shut down. We got to make sure the guys on the streets that are working to keep us safe after the fact, with the power lines, with the down trees, the whole 9 yards, those are the guys who we do this for.
He has not only passion, but knowledge on how to build products. He is the engineer, he is the designer. This is a gentleman that works day in and day out, innovating product that has never been invented in history. And being a CEO is clearly a job by itself, but be able to lead staff and people to work under him is the best award of it all, because they have a lot of passion for him as much as he has passion for his co-workers.
This started when he was a teenager, installing radios and speakers in my mother's driveway. And I remember one person telling him, hey, you're going to be successful one day, but you know, as a kid, doesn't relate to you as what this man was saying. So he was doing installs in my mom's driveway. We had 2, 3 cars at a time. Just a hard worker.
You're offering more than just a standard light package. You're offering how it fits in the car.
Yeah.
How, whether he's in the car, whether I'm in the car, whether you're in the car, can we all see through the windshield?
Yeah.
You know, I get in the car, I'm like, oh, it's perfectly fine. 6 foot gets in, he's like, yeah, it's kind of too low. And the visors you have been seen, those are hand-built that have taken us 10 years plus to finally come to that little picture you just seen, which is that monocoque design